everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So have you completed 6th B exercise?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So today we will start 6th C exercise. All of you open your 6th C exercise. So question heading is solve using cross multiplication method. So in previous exercise 6th A exercise, which method you had used?
Elimination.
6th A exercise,
By substitution.
elimination by substitution. In 6th B exercise, which
Cross
method you had?
multiplication.
Equating.
Sub.
Elimination by equating coefficient.
Equating coefficient.
First exercise में substitution method we had used. B exercise equating coefficient method we had used. Now today in 6th C exercise we will learn how to do these questions with the help of cross multiplication. So today we will solve the question with the help of cross multiplication method. Video and audio both are clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Question number first. All of you see question very carefully. This method is little bit difficult. So all of you pay attention and see very carefully what steps are there in this question. First question is 4x plus 3y is equal to 17. And second equation is 3x minus 4y is equal plus 6 is equal to 0. So these two equations are given. First equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 17. So in cross multiplication method, you have to arrange this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That means on the right hand side, you have to bring 0. First step is on the right hand side, you have to bring 0. That means this 17 we have to bring on left hand. So 4x plus 3y. This 17 will come on left hand side. So this will become minus 17. Okay. In the second equation also, on the right hand side we have to make 0. But 0 is already there. So no need to change this equation. Now what you have to do? Here we have to write the format a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. What is the format for linear equation? Linear equation format is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is your first equation. So we will write here a1, b1 and c1. Now this is your second equation. Here we will write a2, b2 and c2. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Till here anybody is having any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So this is the format for linear equation. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. ये भी format है. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is for first equation. So a1, b1, c1 we have to take. This is second equation. a2, b2, c2 we have to take. Now we have to write the values of a1, b1 and c1. So what you have to do? X coefficient is a1. If you will observe here with x, what is written a1 और यहाँ पर x के साथ क्या है 4. That means a1 value is 4. Comma with y b1 is written. What is the sign of b1? plus sign. And here in with y, what is written? 3 is written. What is the sign of b here? 3 plus. That means दोनों में plus आ रहा है. And coefficient of y is b1 and coefficient of y is 3. So we can say b1 value is 3. Now c1 value we will find. C1 is the constant term. In this x is not there, in this y is also not there. So C1 value is 17, but you have to check the sign. C1 sign is plus and 17 sign is minus. So we have to take C1 is equal to minus 17. C1 value we have to take minus 17 because here it is plus and here it is minus. Both the sign are opposite. So we have to take minus 17. Is this clear to you all? Anybody is having any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same way we have to use here also. In equation second. This is equation number second. So in this second equation also we have to do same thing. With x what is written? A2 is written. So here x with x what is written? 3. That means we can say A2 value is 3. Comma. With y P2 is written. And here with y what is written? Minus 4 is written, minus. You have to take the sign also. If plus sign is there, then leave it. If minus sign is there, then we have to take y2. With y, b2 is written. And here with y, minus 4 is written. So we will say that b2 value is minus 4. Now c2 value. C2. This is the constant term. In this x and y are not there. So constant term is c. This is plus C2 and this is plus 6. That means C2 value will be 6. Till here, anybody is having any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now A1, B1, C1 answer we got. A2, B2, C2 answer we got. Now this is the first step. Now what will be your second step? Second step is you have to arrange these coefficients. These are the coefficients. 3 किसके साथ लिखा हुआ था? With x it is written. That means this is the coefficient of x. This is the coefficient of y. And this is the constant term. So you have to arrange these coefficients in one format, and format is second step. B, C, A, B. This is the format you have to remember. What is the format? First of all, we have to write B, then C, then A, then B. B, C, A, B. Again, we have to write B, C, A, B. These all are 1. B1, C1, A1, B1. These all are 2. B2, A2, B2. So format is B, C, A, B. ऊपर लेने हैं 1 वाले. In the downside we have to take 2. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to put the values. B1 value. B1 value is 3. C1 minus 17. A1 4. B1 3. Now similarly we have to put the values of these number also. B2 minus 4. C2 6. A2 3. B2 minus 4. So this is the format. B, C, A, B, ऊपर 1 वाले, नीचे 2 वाले. Then after that you have to put the values. So here we have put the values. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now third step is x upon, फिर आपको पुट करना है इक्वल साइन. आफ्टर दैट y अपॉन, पहले लेना है x अपॉन, देन आफ्टर दैट इक्वल टू y अपॉन, देन इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन. ये थर्ड स्टेप का फॉर्मेट है। x अपॉन फ्रैक्शन बनाना है। फ्रैक्शन बनाने के लिए क्या करना है, ऊपर x लेंगे, इक्वल टू के बाद ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में y, इक्वल टू के बाद ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में क्या लेना है 1। अब डिनोमिनेटर में क्या लेना है, व्हाट यू हैव टू टेक इन डिनोमिनेटर, ये जो अभी ऊपर स्टेप लिखा, यू हैव टू चेक दीस टू नंबर, इनको देखना है। क्रॉस बनाते हैं, क्रॉस कहां से बनाते हैं, लेफ्ट हैंड से ऊपर से नीचे जाते हैं, राइट हैंड। जब क्रॉस करते हैं तो ऐसे ही तो कट करते हैं, तो कहां से स्टार्ट करा था, यहां से स्टार्ट करा था, लाइक दिस। सो हियर आल्सो वी हैव टू गो लाइक दिस। 3 मल्टीप्लाइड विद 6 यू हैव टू डू, 3 मल्टीप्लाई 6 विल बी 18। तो नीचे आपको क्या लिखना है 18। देन आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू पुट माइनस साइन, माइनस। अब इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई करनी है, -17 into -4, so minus and minus will become, yes
Sir, why we have to put minus sign there?
what, आपको ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में x लेना है, इधर न्यूमरेटर में y लेना है, इधर न्यूमरेटर में 1 लेना है। अब डिनोमिनेटर में वर्क करने के लिए क्या करना है, इसकी मल्टीप्लाई 6 से करनी है, 3 into 6, देन माइनस साइन, इसकी मल्टीप्लाई इससे करनी है, माइनस यू हैव टू टेक, इट्स द रूल ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, इसमें आपको माइनस लेना है सारे स्टेप्स में, ठीक है। अभी आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सी व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, 3 into 6 is 18, माइनस यू हैव टू टेक योरसेल्फ, ये अपने आप लेना है आप। देन -17 into -4 you have to do, so minus and minus will become plus. Now we will multiply 17 into 4, 68। इतना समझ आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now what you have to do, leave the first number, ये फर्स्ट जो 3 और 4 है इन्हें छोड़ते हैं। नाउ यू टेक नेक्स्ट 2, what we will do, first one we will leave, now we will take next 2। in this also you have to do this multiply method, cross multiply, but you have to do 17 into 3, this is minus sign, minus plus minus sign, 17 3 ja we will do 51, like this we have done। now we have to do like this, इनकी मल्टीप्लाई करनी है, बट रूल इज यू हैव टू पुट माइनस साइन बाय योरसेल्फ, ये माइनस आप अपने आप लगाएंगे। नाउ 4 into 6 will be 24, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now again we will leave second number, in previous step we had left this one, now we will leave this one, we will take next to these two numbers, these two numbers we have to take and we have to cross multiply, as I had told you cross बनाते हैं in the same way, this number into this number, when we will multiply 4 into -4 answer will be -16, then minus sign you have to put by yourself, अपने आप लगाना है। Now 3 into 3 will be 9, so in the denominator of x how we will make, by first two number, in the denominator of y we will make with the help of next two, leave the first one and take next two number, and in the denominator of 1 we have to take last two number. Is this method clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will solve these numbers, x upon 18 minus 68 we will do, greater one is minus number, so we have to take minus sign. Now 68 minus 18 we will do, remainder will be minus करके आ जाएगा आपका 50. Now these two numbers equal y upon minus and minus you have to do plus, so we will add these number, on adding On adding we will get 75. Which one is greater among these two? 51 minus sign equal 1 upon minus and minus will become plus. On adding these two we will get 25. Which sign you have to put? Greater number sign. Greater number is 16. That means minus. Now what you have to do? Now what you have to do? In this term, one unknown variable is there. Value नहीं पता आपको, किसकी value नहीं पता है? X. In this also you don't know the value of Y. But in this no unknown term is there. कोई unknown value नहीं है. So what we will do? We will take these two number together. In between these number equal to sign is coming na. So what you have to take? You have to take x upon minus 50 is equal to 1 upon minus 25. Now on solving it, minus 60 will come up, minus 50 will come here outside. So this will become minus 50 upon minus 25. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So 25 to the 50, x answer is 2. In the same way, we will take these two equal. इन दोनों को इक्वल लेंगे. इसमें अननोन टर्म है y. इन दिस नो अननोन टर्म इज देयर. सो वी विल टेक दीज टू नंबर्स टुगेदर. y upon minus 75 is equal to 1 upon minus 25. Now what you have to do? This divide minus 75 we will bring here. So y is equal to minus 75 upon minus 25. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 25 त्रिज्या. So y is equal to So x and y answer we got. In question he said you have to solve the given equation. तो solve का meaning क्या था? You have to find the value of x and y. तो दोनों values आ गई हैं. Now you can ask your doubt. In which step you are having doubt? I will explain you again. Anybody want to ask any step?
No, sir.
No, sir.
सबको आ गया सब?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take the screenshot. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to question number 11. 11th question. Eleventh question. Rest of the question are same. First step क्या होता है? You have to make the format of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. First equation में भी बनाना है और second में भी बनाना है. So in all the questions you have to do like that. 11th question is different. Decimal numbers are there. Point है. So I will explain you this 11th question. All of you see question number 11. Is this visible to you all? ज्यादा छोटा तो नहीं हो रहा है?
No, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
No, sir.
सब ब्राइटनिंग बढ़ रही है ऊपर.
सर रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है.
Reflection no problem, that in first step it will be there, अब बाद में नहीं आएगा वो. Tube light bulb is glowing ना, that's why this reflection is coming. So first step what you have to do, in this question decimal is there, decimal आ रहा है. So for decimal what you have to do, first of all we will remove the decimal. हम decimal remove करेंगे. So in the denominator you have to take 10. On removing the decimal, after the point only one digits are there, so in the denominator we have to take 10. Now we will take LCM. On left hand side LCM will be 10. 10 1 ja 10, that one will into 4x, if we will do 4x minus 10 1 ja 10, that one into 1.5, if 1.5 not 15 point we had removed, 1 into 15y, if we will do, answer will be 15y is equal to 65 upon 10 is there. This 65 upon 10 we can cancel with the same table. 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 13 upon 2. On cancelling these two number we will get 13 upon 2. Now we will cross multiply. 2 will come here, so 2 multiply full numerator we have to take in the bracket, 4x minus 15y is equal to, this 10 is in divide, on right hand side this will come in multiply, so this will be 130. Now we will multiply, we can do one more thing, these two we will take in divide, so these two will get cancelled, so answer आएगा 4x minus 15y is equal to 130 upon 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja, so 4x minus 15y is equal to 65. Till here anybody is having any doubt?
No,
No, sir.
Okay. Now this is not the format which we have to take. What format we have to use? On the right hand side 0 must be there. So what you will do? This 65 you will bring on left hand. 4x minus 15y minus 65 is equal to 0. Now we will write the format. Format is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. After making the equation, you have to write the format. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Now we will check what is the value of a1, what is the value of b1 and what is the value of c1. X, with x a1 is written, and here with x 4 is written, that means a1 is equal to 4. With y b1 is written, and here with y minus 15 is written, so b1 value will be minus 15. Minus sign is compulsory because here this is plus sign and here it is minus sign. जब दोनों sign opposite होंगे, then you have to take minus sign. C1 value will be minus 65. Till here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now first equation is over. Now we will take second equation. Second equation is 0.3x plus 0.2y is equal to 0.9y. Sorry, y is not there. Now what will be your first step? First of all we will remove point. After removing point we will take divide 10. Here also divide 10. Here also divide 10. Now we have to take LCM. 10 and 10 LCM. 10. 10 1 ja 10. That one multiplied with 3x. This is 0.3, but point is already removed, so this 0 do not have any value. So 1 multiplied 3x, 3x. 10 1 ja 10. That 1 multiplied with 2y, 2y is equal to 9 upon 10. 9 and 10 will not get cancelled. These two are not coming in same table. Now we will cross multiply. This 10 will come here upside. Don't bring this 10 upside, because when we will bring this 10 on right hand side, both the 10 will get cancelled. So no need to shift this 10 on left hand side. So what will be your next step? 3x plus 2y is equal to 9 into 10 divide 10. So this 10 we will bring on right hand side. So like this it will be there. Now 10 and 10 will get cancelled. 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. Now equation we had solved, but format is on the right hand side we have to make 0. जैसे यहाँ बनाया था. This is the equation. So what we had made, this 65 we have to bring on left hand in order to make 0 on the right hand side. Here also we have to use the same method. 9 we will bring here. Now we will write the format. Format is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the first equation work. So a1 b1 c1. Here we are doing work for second equation. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and we will add here 2. This is a2, b2 and c2. Now on comparing these two equations, a2 answer you will get 3, b2 2, and c2, when we will check for c2 sign is plus और यहाँ पर आ रहा है 9 के साथ माइनस. सो c2 is equal to minus 9. Minus sign is compulsory. You have to take minus. Till here, is this question clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Take the screenshot. I have to rub it. Space is not there on board. All of you take the screenshot.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Over.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to do after doing this much, आपको सेट, ये तो फर्स्ट स्टेप था. फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करा था? ए बी और सी की वैल्यू आइडेंटिफाई करी थी. a1 b1 और c1 वैल्यू, देन a2 b2 एंड c2 वैल्यू. नाउ इन सेकंड स्टेप, you have to remember the format. Format is b c a b, b c a b. नीचे भी आपको यही लेना है. ऊपर भी BCAB, नीचे भी BCAB. Now we will put the numbers. These all are of first equation, so we have to write 1. These all are from second equation. Now we have to put the values. B1 minus 15, C1 minus 65, A1 4, B1 minus 15. Between these number you have to give sufficient gap, as I am giving. Gap is there. सबके बीच में gap रखना है. Now B2 2, C2 minus 9, A2 3, B2 2. Now After doing this much, third step. In third step, what you have to do? X upon equal sign y upon equal sign 1 upon x upon लेना है, y upon लेना है, 1 upon लेना है. In x upon, what you have to take? First two numbers you have to take, as I explained you in the previous question, question number 1. Cross multiply. Minus 15 into minus 9 we will do. So this will become plus. माइनस और माइनस क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा. This will be 135. Now after multiplying these two number, minus sign आपको खुद ही लेना होता है. You have to take it by yourself. So minus sign. Now we have to multiply these two number. When we will multiply these two number, here it is minus sign and here it is plus. So minus plus minus. 65 2 when we will do, answer will be 130. Now two sign are coming together, so here you have to use the bracket. ये समझ आया सबको? Anybody is having any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we will leave first number. We will take next two numbers. Leave the first one. Next two. First of all, cross करेंगे तो minus 65 multiplied with 3 we have to do. So minus plus minus 65 3 jab 195. After multiplying, minus sign you have to put by yourself. Minus डालेंगे. Now this 4 multiplied with 9. First we had done 65 multiplied with 3. Now we will do 4 multiplied with 9, but this is not 9, this is minus 9. So plus minus minus आएगा. 4 9 क्या 36. Again two sign are there, so we have to take bracket. Now we will take last two numbers. Last two. 1 के नीचे लेना है आपको. 4 into 2 8. Then minus sign you have to put by yourself. Now we will multiply these two. This is minus number and this is positive number. Minus plus minus 15 3 ja 45. Bracket we have to use because two sign are coming together. Now we will solve these numbers. X upon 135 minus and minus. Minus minus will be plus. Y upon minus 195 minus and minus will become plus 36. 1 upon 8 minus and minus plus 45. Anybody is having any confusion? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now x upon, add these two. Y upon, this is minus and this is plus. Minus plus minus, so we will subtract these two number 195 and 36. $159. Which one is greater? Minus number is greater, so we have to put minus sign. 1 upon, add these two. Now next step. Next step is, in this one unknown variable is there x. In this also one unknown term is there y. And in this no unknown term is there. And in between equal sign are coming. So first of all we will take these two numbers equal to each other. So x upon 265 equal 1 upon 53. This 265 will come on right hand side, so x is equal to 265 upon 53. So these two will get cancelled with a table of 5. With 5 times. 53 5 is 265 So X answer we got 5. Now we have to find the value of Y. So for Y, what you have to do? These two numbers we will take equal. ये दोनों नंबर ले लेंगे इक्वल. Y upon minus 159 equal 1 upon 53. Now this minus 159 will come here on right hand. So this will become minus 159 upon 53. On cancelling these two, we will get minus 3 answer. So X answer is 5 and Y answer is minus 3. Is this question clear?
Yes, sir.
What about other
Yes,
students?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now take the screenshot.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now can you do this exercise by yourself? 12th question is different.
Yes, sir.
12th I will explain you in the next video, next class. So leave that 12th question. Rest of the question you can do by yourself. हो जाएंगे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now time is over. I have to take attendance. So all of you be quiet. Okay. So now you got the homework. 60 exercise you have to finish. All of you complete this 60 exercise. On Monday we will come. We will meet again. So on Monday we will start next exercise 60. So all of you please complete your work up to 60 exercise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can leave the class.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.